Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find and use the clipboard on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. First, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, Notes, or the search bar. Tap inside the text field to bring up the Samsung keyboard. If you already see the toolbar above the keyboard, you're good to go. If you don't see it, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General Management. Next, tap Keyboard List and Default. Then make sure Samsung Keyboard is selected. Now, scroll down and turn on Keyboard Toolbar. Once it's enabled, go back to any text field and open the Samsung Keyboard again. Tap the clipboard icon on the keyboard toolbar. Here you'll see everything you've recently copied. To paste an item, simply tap it and it will be inserted into the text field. And that's it. That's how you can find and use the clipboard on your Samsung phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.